dress. I think they changed the cup. It's like red. And then the bag is still the same. And then they changed their to-go container. It's like a transparent, so it's like really cool, look really modern. And over here they say Panda. Can you see that? Yeah. So I got my favorite is the eggplant and the tofu, orange chicken, half veggie and half chow mein, which is noodle. Check this out. Touch the star. Wow, it's amazing. I'll try Pepsi. Oh, it's different flavor. Lemon Pepsi. Cool. Wow. Oh.